What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're talking about some gaming monitors that I've been testing out recently, and they're actually pretty badass. Big shout out to ViewSonic for sponsoring this video, and first up today we're looking at the new Elite XG270QG, and this is a pretty awesome kind of no compromises gaming monitor. I mean, we have a QHD resolution here and a 144 hertz refresh rate, which is overclockable up to 165 hertz with a 1 millisecond response time, and this monitor just looks absolutely amazing. I mean, I like the design. It's actually rather simple in terms of the design and the form factor, but it does kind of hold its own. I mean, it looks very nice on a desk in a setup, as you can see, and overall, I mean, I don't really have any complaints here about the monitor itself. Now, I'm not getting into like nitty gritty, like nitpicky kind of things with this. I'm just looking at it from a basic general consumer perspective. You know, how does this operate and function in my daily life? PC gaming basically is where this is coming from. I mean, the display here, like I said, is very clean. It's an IPS nano color display panel, and it just looks good all around. Now, one thing I will gripe about with this monitor is the price. It's actually quite expensive. This thing will set you back around $600, and the reason why I say that it's quite expensive, well, is because when you compare it to the other monitor that we're going to talk about here in a second, they're miles apart in terms of what you get for your money, but that's a whole nother story. The display here is 27 inches, and like I said, we have a 1440p resolution here, which is great, and it's IPS versus TN, which has some benefits there as well, along with the fact that we do have RGB lighting built in at the base of the monitor and on the backside, and this is a G-Sync monitor as well, which is pretty nice. I mean, if you're into that or needing that, and it's fully adjustable, so you know you have your tilt and you can raise it up and you can swing it sideways. You pretty much do whatever you want with this damn thing. But like I said, kind of expensive. It's $600. When you compare that to the other 27-inch monitor from ViewSonic that we're about to talk about, you might have second thoughts. So sitting behind me, we have the Elite XG270, and you won't notice a difference in terms of design between this one and the previous one we were speaking about, because there is none. It's exactly the same housing. You have the same features, RGB, the same adjustment. It's literally the same thing with a different panel. I mean, that's basically what it comes down to, but here's the thing, this one is 240 hertz with a 1080p resolution. In my opinion, the quality between the panels looks exactly the same, but this one, 240 hertz, oh my god, it is like butter, like so butter. I am absolutely a huge fan of this. I mean, gaming on this one is very fluid, especially while I'm rocking dual 2080 Ti's in this build behind me, but nonetheless, I mean, the monitor is very fluid, and I would pick this one over the other model any day of the week. I would pick the 240 hertz refresh rate over the higher resolution and the topping out at 165 hertz when overclocked with the other monitor, just because of how smooth it is, and you're not compromising on anything else, literally anything else. Now, the price of this guy, well, that's where the fun comes into play here, because this one is only $429 compared to $600 for the higher resolution model. Oh, and on top of that, both models do have built-in speakers. Now, they're nothing to write home about, but it's a nice addition there, and they're both VESA mount compatible. This is probably the one that's gonna stay on my desk for a while because I absolutely do like it. Like I said, it seems like a better value to me. $430 versus $600. I mean, if you need the higher resolution, you're doing more than just gaming, maybe you have some productivity, video editing, photo editing, things like that, definitely maybe it makes sense to get the higher res model that has the lower refresh rate. But for gamers, for gaming strictly, I mean, this guy is definitely a no-brainer. It's 27 inches, you're not compromising anything else, same design, same RGB, we have the same stand, everything else is identical, and this is actually G-Sync compatible as well. So it's not G-Sync, it's G-Sync compatible, and it does work with FreeSync also, so I mean, really, you have kind of all of the best things in one with this one, in my opinion, versus the other model. But I don't know, I want to know what you think about these two monitors in the comments section below. I'm not a huge PC gamer, I'm just kind of a casual PC gamer, so really for me, I'm just telling you which one I think is going to be a better buy all around from my perspective. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when new videos like this drop in the near future. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. This is Dom, and I will catch you in the next video.